Hi, welcome back into the Schematic channel. The topic of this video, how we can access the online version of Arduino IDE which we can use for coding. So let's do it. So you can open any kind of browser which you are using and search with Arduino online. Now you see this Arduino Cloud. This web page is here, so click on it. Here you need to be first of all login, and if you first time come, then you need to be create your account. You can create your account with the Google directly, or by putting your email and set your password and click on this confirm, and in that way your account is also created. So I quickly create my account and then we move to what your okay. After putting your email and setting your password, then they ask you choose your username and tick the first option is mandatory, and then create account. So in that way your account is created and you are landed on the Arduino Cloud. So I try to be put the URL or link in the description so you can directly access it and create your account. So there is the option of start a tour. So you can see here we can access our account and billing option, because there are some paid things also. This is the home where we can see our home page, see our files and devices. This is the sketches which is available, and we can edit also. So these are our IoT tools where we have the devices, things, dashboard and triggers. Trigger is paid feature. And there is our template options, and there are the resources and courses. And this is our one account integration, which allow us to be integrate our Arduino credentials. We can integrate the different stuffs, and now we can see our plan, and we can buy the higher higher features. So right now we don't have any kind of device and nothing we have here. So we go into the sketches. And now I show you how you can create this sketch and you can write a code. So first of all, click on this create sketch button here, give him allow. So this is the instructional is come to upload the sketch with the USB port. Make sure the cloud agent is installed and running on this computer. Right now I don't have the Arduino board near to me, that's why I don't be show you completely, but in that way you open your sketch, and here you can write the code. First of all, the loud version with the port. Okay, also a lot of the file here. You see our files, and there are the different examples. So we can choose the example, simply double click on it, and then again the cloud editor is running with that example. Okay, and there is the libraries, so you can easily search the library and then just press the include button, and then that library is included and you can utilize in your code. So there is the some references, the different functions are there, how they can work and how you can use it. So there are the different functions, so you can directly see which function you want to be used by reading from here. There are the variables, different variables. Okay, so there are the different structures, so it's very useful for coding. And there is the Arduino AI assistant. You need to be accept the term, and now you can ask anything and they can write the code for you. Okay, explain the function and create a code to blink the LED without using the delays. So okay, now I just be like send this prompt to the Arduino AI assistant, and now they create the code. Okay, now this is the code which is they created without any kind of delays. He said here's the code to blink the LED using the milli instead of blocking the delay. Okay, so that is the complete code, and I can simply copy the code and paste it. Now I copy and paste it here because he said that example cannot be modified, so that's the problem only. Okay, now in that way you can use it. And there is the also option of changing the editor theme, online editor theme, into the dark mode. You can convert it, but it's coming soon. And there are the different options which you can find it out according to your demand. So in that way you can utilize the online editor. There is the serial monitor. Okay, serial port unavailable because I not connected any kind of device, so that's where they ask me this serial monitor is not available for me. And there is the select the device, so Arduino Cloud agent not found, so we need to be first of all download the cloud agent, which I say that you need to be download. It's in that way you need to be click on this download button, because if you want to be upload your code in your piece in your Arduino using the port, so then you need to be this Arduino Cloud Agent. So click on this download. So it's downloading and installed. It is the extension for your Chrome which you utilize for uploading the code into the port which you connected with your Arduino. So this is the file which is downloaded right now, which is the Arduino Cloud Agent. So we need to be run as administrator here, and click on next, accept the agreement, click on next, and click on next and next. So it's within a few seconds it's installed. Okay, and close it. And he said that cloud arduino.cc want to give him. So your agent is ready. So in that way your Arduino Cloud Agent is downloaded and installed completely. And now I'll just close it here and again click on it. So he said that okay, now you see this is removed. They don't ask me to download the Cloud Agent again because they detected it's installed in my computer. And we need, why we need a Cloud Agent? The simple answer is this Cloud Agent detect the port where we want to be burn our code. So they are automatically detecting the device. Okay, if it's not detecting, because in my case it's not connected, that's way it is not possible for him to detectable. So I can select the device type from here. So there are a lot of devices. You can search from here Arduino Uno. So you see Arduino Uno Q, Arduino Uno R4 Mini, Arduino Uno Simple. So now this is the Arduino Uno. Cross its device is not connected. So you just connected that device and click on this button. Then they are verifying and uploading the code into the Arduino. So now this is the verifying our code. Our code is verified, and after that when our board is connected, I just press on this button, and now my code is burned into the board. So I hope so you understand how you can use the online version of the Arduino Cloud editor, where you can write a code, where you use the AI for writing a code, and how you can download and install the Arduino Cloud Agent which used for binding the code in your board. So I see you the next time with the new video. Please like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends.